Hello everyone. Today we shall look into calendar chart by Tallan. This is one of the calendar chart which helps you visualize how the sales or any numerical data is flowing in the table. Let us see how Tallan chart works. You could get this visual from marketplace by clicking on get more visuals and search for calendar by Tallan. Okay, here is my Talon calendar chart. Okay, in the first field which you could see, I would use my order date, and in the values I would like to see how my sales is uh, like represented in those particular years or months. As you could see, my order date is in hierarchy. If you could see in the chart, what you could see is only this level of representation with respect to years. Even if you drill down, you could see how my like overall quarter sales is present. And even if you drill down to month, all you could see is on month basis, similar to this. Okay, and now what you need to consider is you need to view it as a calendar, so make sure that you don't use it as hierarchy. Remove I would change this hierarchy to the order date so that I could view my calendar chart by Talon. Okay, this is my, now you could see that I have got my calendar on month to month basis. Like this is my January month, this is my Feb, and this is March. Suppose that you have to showcase or see only few months. What you could do is you could make a slicer and use order date, and you could sub I mean reduce the number of months to view. Here you could see that now I'm you like able to see from July to November 2016. This slicer would help to interact with the calendar and help you understand how sales is varying between those months. And I'll show you how the other formatting helps you to visualize things. Okay, and here I have, let us, I'll make it small to make you understand. I'll make a column chart, or uh, maybe column chart, to view the category sales over a period, and maybe maybe using the region in legends. Okay, this is how my sales are varying over, like for July and August. I could scroll to the right in the chart, that is absolutely fine. Here i could show you that these colors, it could be varied. Let us see how formatting helps in visualizing better. Okay, this is calendar configurations. Here weekday starts from Sunday. You could change it to any other day as you want. Here I'll keep it as Monday, and you could see that immediately my chart colors has varied. Here my calendar chart is represented in three columns. If you want to represent in four columns, you could enter 4. Now my calendar chart is in 4 columns, or you could even set your number of columns required. And in the data colors configuration, here you could set the data colors. Here it is in green color. I could change it to blue color. You could see my colors has data colors has changed to blue color. Here is another setting for diverging colors. You could use the diverging nature of colors by uh, selecting the minimum, center, and maximum values. I'll show you how. Suppose that I turn on the diverging, you could see all the colors has changed to black. For minimum color, I need red color. For center color, I could choose this yellow color, and for maximum I choose this green color. Until unless you use this minimum center and maximum values, you won't be able to see any changes in the chart. Okay, suppose that I want to keep my minimum sales as 2000. Okay, now my center sales is like 5000, and my maximum sales is 10,000. Okay, now you could see that my colors are varying in a diverging fashion, where you could understand the sales and how it is varying on month to month basis, on which dates. It is quite easily understandable, and you could deep dive into the data for better understanding. Calendar chart by Tallan, it helps in this way, which is quite like attractive, and it will help you understand and visualize better. uh, this is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.